परवरी पोलिसांनी आल्तपरवरच्या एका क्लिनिकाचेर धाड घालून 2.23 लाखांची 83 बॉक्सां घोळे वखदां जप्त केली। क्लिनिकाचो धनी अर्जुन खन्नाक पोलिसांनी अटक केल्या। उत्तर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक शोभित सक्सेनान दिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण कॅनाडॉक क्लिनिकाचे धनी अर्जुन खन्नाक नार्कोटिक्स, ड्रग्स आणि सायकोट्रॉपिक पदार्थ कायद्याच्या कलमाखाला अटक केला। या प्रकरणात अजून चौकशी चालू आसा। कॅनॅबिस या वखदाचेर बंदी आसून ते या क्लिनिकात विकतालो। या वखदाची क्लिनिकात विक्री जाता की ना हाची खात्री करून घेतल्या उपरांतूच पुलिशेन क्लिनिकाचेर धाड घाली। या वखदाच्या विक्रीचो परवानो पुलिशेन तांचे कडेन मागलो, पूण परवानो तांचे कडेन नाशिल्लो।
So yesterday during patrolling it was found that there was a clinic at Parvarim near Okogero Circle which was named as Canadoc. So after some inquiry and it was found that it is possible that there were cannabis or marijuana related products that were being sold there. So PI Parvarim led a team and carried out a search and panchnama over there of the articles found there. It was found that there were around 80 boxes of different articles such as toffees, chocolates and powders which contained cannabis.